Meaning of insolent.
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 Insolent. The word insolent is generally used to describe a person who is disrespectful or rude. It refers to behavior that shows a lack of respect for authority, norms, or social conventions. An insolent person may show disregard for rules, social expectations, or common decency. They may speak or act in a way that is intentionally provocative or confrontational. The consequences of insolent behavior can be far-reaching, affecting personal relationships, professional success, and even legal outcomes. It is important to avoid being insolent and to maintain a level of respect and civility in all interactions.